year is one of the biggest ever Milo Kaji rugby tournaments, with more than 3,000 players representing 630 teams from 28 districts at the 4-day event. I would therefore like to welcome all the players that have traveled from all over Fiji to be here today. Without you, there would be no tournament. Rugby has always been played an important role in Fiji. With teams representing every province in Fiji, I can only imagine the amount of joy, the amount of excitement and determination that will be in store for us for the next 4 days. And I would like to thank Nestle for sponsoring the Milo Kaji once again, the 8th year in a row. To the teachers, coaches, parents, supporters and friends, without your tremendous support, your sons would be here today for this tournament. I applaud you for the countless support, sleepless nights, and dedication that you have given to the players. To the players, I would like to say that this is your tournament, your time, and your playing field. Play hard and play fair. And may the best team win, and I declare the 2013 Milo Kaji competition open. Now,